We spent the month of February in Desert Hot Springs, which is just north of Palm Springs, which is called actually the modernism capital of the world. I didn't know that. So one of our friends decided she needed to escape Wisconsin winter for at least a week in February and decided to join us in Palm Springs. She asked us if we'd be interested in attending any of the Modernism Week events. I had no idea that was going on at that time either, so we were totally in. Modernism Week actually features mid-century modern architecture, interior and landscape designs, art and vintage culture. It actually has a lot of different events, including the exterior and interior home tours, some walking tours, bike tours, bus. There's lectures, presentations, all kinds of things going on, including nightly parties and dinners and more. We are excited to get going.
You know what's funny, Marshall?
Oh my God, it's a paparazzi. Okay.
All right, so...
Work it, girl,
what's
work
funny
it.
is, the longer we had to wait, the more excited we would get.
MW.
Yeah?
Get us at an angle where maybe MW and the bus, and we're right in the middle.
Okay.
Can
All right.
you get that?
I can do that.
Are you videotaping?
Yep.
Yeah. On the first day of Modernism Week, we started out with free wine and champagne, and in the background you can see there's a white tent, which is called the camp. This is where you can sign up for different tours, events, and lectures throughout the week. And then there's Mark going back for seconds. Inside the camp, there's actually mid-century furniture we tried out and took a little walk checking out the listings of houses. And then we ended up at the famous Ruby's Diner for lunch. So we're heading into Palm Springs and we notice we've got some sort of sandstorm going on. Probably not a sandstorm, but you can see how it's really kicking up the sand in the atmosphere.
Sand drifts.
There it is. Oops.
Sand
Drifting sand. Yeah, they had major rain here a few days ago, and this street actually was closed. This is a main drag from north of Palm Springs into Palm Springs, so our 25-minute ride turned into more like a 45-minute ride.
Right, and this would be bad.
So here's where they had to plow the sand and the dirt away from the flash flood. This whole road was closed for a couple days, actually. As you can see, they're still trying to remove the dirt from when we had the flash flood. Right, we're in Palm Springs still, and we are at the Modernism Show at the Expo Center, Expo Convention.
Excellent. Who are we going with?
Well, none other than our expert art person, Marsha.
Oh,
She's our motivator.
I know.
She's the one that clued us into what to do and where to go.
She's really handy when we go to French restaurants.
That's true.
Yeah. She took us to a great place yesterday, too.
Oh, yeah.
Forgot the name of it. Oh, no, wait. Woody's. Yeah. Great place.
How did you forget that one?
Let's go get some tickets. Okay, they've got a display here. National Museum of Golf Carts, and my dad was an avid golfer, so I wish he was still alive so that I could ask him, Dad, which one were you in?
In the expo, we found all kinds of products in the mid-century style, including glasses, interior design, artwork. It's pretty amazing. We're at the Annenberg Museum in Palm Springs. It's in the art museum there. And we're actually at a lecture that's called the Hollywood Modern Houses of the Stock.
Ah, so it's going to be on stage. I'm sure I can't record it while it's going.
Over and out. We then signed up for a walking tour through the historical downtown Palm Springs.
The doctor says, okay, Frank, how much you actually drinking? And Frank says, well, I drink a bottle of Jack Daniels a day, 7 bottles a week. And the doctor says, oh my gosh, how do you feel in the morning when you wake up? And Frank says, when I wake up, it isn't morning. So, and Barbara said, this was Frank's home. This is what his home looked like when he spoke to the
Another day we took an architectural bike tour hosted by Hot Purple Energy, which is a full-service solar and energy solution company. There's somebody there going live from Coachella Facebook group. So, guess who they interviewed? The tour consisted of riding through several Palm Springs neighborhoods that contain mid-century homes. We were provided with an electronic copy of the course map prior to the event, and the route was clearly marked to allow us the opportunity to explore on our own and at our own pace.
What are you doing, Sue?
Suiting up.
Ah,
Getting ready.
getting ready to get some good footage at Modernism. We got the machines out.
I'm doing this right.
Yep, I'll help you in a second. And there's our bike group that is leaving us.
That's what we were hoping, to find one for sale. There it is.
So, Sue, how are you liking your tour so far?
So far, this is a great bike ride, taking us through some great neighborhoods. The nice thing is that we got a map, everybody starts out, and then we kind of go at our own pace. So guess where we are? We're last in line, but that's
Yeah.
okay. We are totally enjoying this.
If you look way deep in the lens, there's people with suitcases that we constantly will catch up to, and then they pass us up. So something's going wrong with our technique here. What are you doing, Sue?
Well, if you've noticed in the other videos, my lips are always so dry, so I came prepared today. Got some
Unbelievable.
Burt's Bees, so I'm ready for my video time.
So, are you saying a famous YouTube star actually has to put makeup on?
I have to prep. I know, Mark does it every day. He's got his makeup on.
Continuing a beautiful ride in Palm Springs on the mid-century architectural tour.